how to buy Shake Shack's e-gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily buy e-gift cards on Shake Shack's official website. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and go to shakeshack.com, then go to gift cards option at the top, and then you need to scroll down and you can see e-gift card. Just tap on send a gift card. This is the fastest way to give a gift from Shake Shack. So you can buy a gift card from here, purchase it and send via email to your friends. And then you can even customize the card according to your choice. There are various templates that you can choose from. And then you can select a value like $25, $50, $100, or you can even manually enter it. And then you can choose the quantity, and then you can put the message, but it is optional, and you can choose delivery options. So suggested one is email. You can put in the recipient name, the recipient email, the sender name, and the delivery date, or you can even choose to self-deliver if you want to. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.